What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, we'll be checking out the BTC US dollar pair. Are we going to break all-time high, or are we going to have a pullback and then possible another great buying opportunity? Also, the Link US dollar pair holding by a thread here from this ascending triangle support. We'll be checking out Ethereum US dollar, nice pullback, great buying opportunity in my opinion. If you're interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus as promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $1,000 on top of that, guys. You got over 50 assets to trade with. Make sure to check it out. Also, Spanish real estate agency begins accepting Bitcoin, and American home warranty company to accept crypto payments. Nervous newbies are taking profits while long-term BTC investors huddle strong, and record-breaking $1.9 trillion relief bill passes US House, heads to Biden's desk. All of this in today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming update, guys, if you like this content. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, checking out the 1 hourly chart here for Bitcoin. As you can see, we are looking extremely bullish. We're having small retracements, but continuing to the upside. The last bounce that we've had has been in this support area. As you can see, it was major resistance there. We broke out of it, and now it is bouncing nicely. As you can see, this green box. The ideal here, for my opinion, if you want to re-enter a position, would be breaking this ascending megaphone pattern to the downside. So the ideal would be coming back down and retesting the support area of this ascending triangle to re-enter a position right there to continue to the upside, guys. I am not sure if we are going to go this low. We might just continue to the upside, but if we break this uptrend that we are forming to the downside, well, the breakout of this megaphone pattern to the downside would be getting the width of the megaphone pattern. And if we break in between today and tomorrow, this would take us down to the resistance of this ascending triangle. So it is a possibility we'd have to break this support area and the support area of this uptrend, and we might come back down to the $52,000 area. If we do, it will be great for placing a long or scooping up some more Bitcoin. But as you can see here, in the past, we'll go to the 4 hourly chart. We have created a similar formation here of this round bottom and then breaking all-time highs. We are creating another round bottom here. So potentially we are going to break all-time highs very, very soon. I'm not sure if we will have a pullback, but if we have a pullback, guys, it is going to be great for buying. If we come all the way down here, guys, this is for buying, for potentially continuing to the upside in the next coming weeks. Let's take a look at the Chainlink US dollar pair. All right, checking out the 1 hourly chart, guys. I did mention this yesterday. We're looking for an explosive breakout from this ascending triangle. We have the selling pressure around the $31, $32 range just right there. So this is a barrier that we need to break. And the demand is currently just going up and up and up. So we're going to meet up with the demand growing and this $31, $32 area, looking for an explosive breakout. You know, if we break to the upside, the measured move of this pattern would be from the resistance down to the support of the ascending triangle, and from the breakout, this would take us to the $40 range, guys. A great trading opportunity. If we break to the downside, this should take us to the $19, $20 range. I do not think this is going to happen, as we have this huge uptrend. It is a bullish pattern, and we'll be getting support by this uptrend channel support area. So this is a great buying opportunity, guys. If you're interested in trading Chainlink, you can do it on Bybit or on Femex. They have the Chainlink US dollar pair. I'll be leaving the link in the description. If you're interested in trading, you'll be getting the best bonus out there available, guys. Let's check out the Ethereum US dollar pair. Looking extremely bullish after this breakout, also this ascending triangle. We also mentioned this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. And we did not arrive yet to our target, which is more or less the $2,000 area, guys. We are having a nice pullback now, which in my opinion is great for buying. You buy the dips. We are going to retest potentially in the next few hours the support if we are lucky enough, so we can place a buy order right over here to continue to the upside to our target from this bullish pattern. And this is major support. If we come all the way down and retest the $1,700 range, you can see it acted as nice support there, nice resistance right here. We broke out, we tested it already as support. So this is going to be a great buying opportunity to continue to the upside, guys. Let's take a look at this news over here. Spanish real estate agency begins accepting Bitcoin payments for properties in the Canary Islands. Crypto adoption keeps spreading among the real estate industry in Europe, especially in Spain. Recently, a leading agency in the Canary Islands announced it would start accepting cryptocurrency payments. A Tenerife-based real estate firm has enabled the feature that allows customers to acquire properties by paying with Bitcoin. Although they mentioned the word cryptocurrencies, the firm talked mostly about BTC throughout the announcement. Piso Barato Inmobiliaria argues that a group of experts stated that Bitcoin is becoming the primary currency of exchange globally, and thus the firm became interested in digital assets. Future owners of properties through the real estate agency can purchase any property in Tenerife with Bitcoins. Mass adoption coming rapidly for real estate, also accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency throughout the world. Now in Spain we can see it. I do remember a couple of years back, I think it was in the United States, potentially in California, you could see a real estate accepting Bitcoin for property, but it was very, very rare, and now it is happening naturally every single time, guys. Let's take a look at this news. American home warranty company to accept crypto payments plans to add BTC to investment portfolio. Following in the footsteps of Tesla, the home warranty company American Residential Warranty says it will accept cryptocurrency payments for its services. In addition, the company also plans to acquire and hold Bitcoin as part of its strategy to expand its investment portfolio and boost returns on cash. The company's chief revenue officer said that by adopting crypto payments, ARW is demonstrating that it is a tech-forward company that adapts quickly to emergent technologies. We are proud to continue being an innovator in the home warranty space with plans to accept Bitcoin payments from our increasingly tech-savvy customers. Incredible to see these companies, how they understand the long-term potential, because they're not just accepting Bitcoin, because you can accept Bitcoin and change it into cash directly. They are accepting Bitcoin and they're adding it to their treasury. Guys, let's take a look at this next news here. Nervous newbies are taking profits while long-term BTC investors huddle strong. And to understand this, you just need to look at this chart right here. In the gray, we have the Bitcoin price performance. And in the purple here, the first one is the wallets holding Bitcoin for just over a year. In the green, wallets holding Bitcoin over 2 years. And in the blue, we have the wallets holding Bitcoin over 3 years. The people that are newish into the space that are holding Bitcoin for just 1 year or just over 1 year, you can see that they started selling at the end of 2020. So not even breaking all-time highs just yet. So they might have sold with a small profit. So they're just maybe here for speculation for the short term. And as you can see here, the wallets holding over 2 years started selling just at the beginning of 2021 when we broke all-time high. And you can see there's a bit of selling pressure of the wallets that have been holding Bitcoin for over 2 years. And here in the blue are wallets that have been holding Bitcoin for over 3 years. They are actually adding to their position. As you can see, they are still accumulating and not selling any of their Bitcoin, not taking any Bitcoin out of the wallet. It is still growing. People that have been here for over 3 years can see the long-term potential. They're not here for 3 years, they're not here for 5 years, they're potentially here for even 10 years. I have been just under 3 years in the space and I haven't sold any Bitcoin just yet. I have a long-term position and then I have maybe a short-term position to speculate with altcoins, but I do have a long-term and I'm not going to sell anytime soon. Let me know in the comment section, are you 1 year hodler, 2 year, 5 years? How long are you going to be here until the price of Bitcoin hits $100,000, potentially $1 million this decade? Let me know in the comment section what type of hodler you are. Let's go straight into this news. Record-breaking $1.9 trillion relief bill passes US House, heads to Biden's desk. The US House representative passed a $1.9 trillion relief bill on Wednesday, sending the bill to President Joe Biden's desk for a signature. The bill, already passed by the Senate, has been the subject of heated debate among policymakers and economists who are concerned about inflation when the coronavirus pandemic wrecked economy recovers. The financial relief is expected to contribute to temporarily high inflation that may occur when most Americans are vaccinated and able to begin traveling and spending their way they did prior when COVID-19 restrictions were put in place. And I want to show you this chart right here. This graph right over here is the M1 money stock. Okay, this is basically the money printed from the Federal Reserve. Let's just go to the year 2000. We printed up to $1.1 trillion, okay, since 1975. So $1.1 trillion, 1,122 billion was printed up to the year 2000. And from the year 2000 all the way to the year 2010, in 10 years, it went to 1.7 trillion, meaning that we added $0.6 trillion in 10 years. But look what happens now. In early 2020 in March, when the coronavirus lockdown started, the crisis was starting, we went from $4 trillion printed, okay, so from 2010 up to 2020, we added another 2.4 trillion. This is in 10 years, 2.4 trillion. But now in 1 year, we've gone all the way up to 18.1 trillion by the 1st of February. And now we are adding another $1.9 trillion, meaning that we are in a total $20 trillion since 1975 added. And just in the last year, we have added $16 trillion, guys. And just this month, we are adding $1.9 trillion printed. We did not even print half of that in between 2000 and 2010. This money is not yet in circulation, but once the economy recovers in 2022 and 2023, all of this money has to go in circulation. And there won't be a 2% inflation rate. We could potentially see 5 or even 10% or more if this continues. Meaning that your $100,000 from today in 2023 or 2024 could be valued at $90,000. You can lose about 10% purchasing power in just a couple of years, guys. And this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin safely. We got price predictions. We got the latest news and technical analysis also. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of the Bitcoinsensus website. And if you haven't seen my tutorial of the Bybit leverage trading platform, a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.